Good morning, all students. Today again, we are going to solve some more problems on northwest corner rule. I hope yesterday's problem everybody has seen it and understood. If any doubts you people are arising, please feel free to contact me. So there is second problem in northwest corner rule. So this is a particular problem which has been there, and let's start with the solution of it. So as I said yesterday, the northwest corner rule must start with the left hand cell or the northwest corner cell. So our left hand corner cell or the northwest corner cell is 6 now. So for 6 we need to allocate 60 or 140. The least is 60. So initially we need to allocate 60 for this. So if we allocate 60, the demand gets exhausted for D1. So let's cross it off. So next cell we must start, or the next column we must start. So as we have allocated 60 and it is 140, 140 minus 60, it will be 80. So our availability also gets exhausted. How? 60 plus 80 is equals to 140. We must cross the next cells. So the next cell starts with the 9. So for 9, the demand is 100 and the availability is 160, but we have already allocated 80 in this particular column, so only left with is 20. So already 80 is allocated, the left 80 minus 100 is 20. So next cell we must cross off. So we must go to the next column, that is 2. So for 60, already 20 is allocated. 160 minus 20 is 140. 140 plus 20 is 160. Cross off the next one. So the next one is 6. So it's 150. Already 140 is allocated. So we must allocate only 10. 140 plus 10 is 150. So the left out is 50. The availability is 50. 10 is already allocated. So we are left with only 40. 10 plus 40 is equals to 50. So we must go for m plus n minus 1 is equals to number of allocations. So there are m stands for rows, n stands for columns. Rows you are not supposed to consider any supply centers, and n we must just consider centers, that is S1, S2, S3. So there are 3 rows, and n there are, don't consider supply centers and the availability, just consider the distribution centers. There are 4 minus 1. How many allocations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 allocations. 3 plus 4, 7 minus 1 equals to 6. 6 equals to 6. So the number of allocations. Next we are supposed to computation of initial transportation cost. For S1, it is D1 and D2. For S2, it is D2 and D3 allocations. For S3, it is D3 and D4. For D1, it is 60 into 6, 80 into 4. Understand? 60 into 6, 80 into 4. For S2, it is 20 into 9, 140 into 2. Next, 10 into 6, 40 into 20. So this is 60, 80. This is 120. Sorry, 360. This is 320. This is 180. And this is 280. So our total cost will be rupees 1280. 1280. So this is how, once again, I've explained the northwest corner rule. Please go through it. And one more problem is that I'll be sending you to the group. Please solve that at your homes. Take it as a home assignment. Hope you have understood. Thank you all.